How to start a TSP to Gold IRA rollover in 2025. Retirement planning in 2025 requires more than just relying on traditional accounts. For federal employees and military personnel, the Thrift Savings Plan (TSP) has long been a cornerstone of savings. Yet, with market volatility and inflation, many are exploring a TSP to Gold IRA rollover to diversify and protect wealth. Gold offers stability, tangible value, and a proven hedge against uncertainty. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Steps to start a TSP to Gold IRA rollover. 1. Define your retirement goals. Understand why you want to include precious metals. Whether it's shielding savings from inflation or balancing market risks, clarity helps guide smart decisions. 2. Choose a trusted custodian. A Gold IRA requires an IRS-approved custodian. Research companies with secure storage, transparent fees, and a strong track record in handling retirement rollovers. 3. Request a direct rollover. Contact your TSP administrator to initiate a direct transfer. This method avoids penalties and tax complications that occur with indirect rollovers. 4. Select eligible precious metals. With funds in your new account, invest in IRS-approved bullion or coins. Gold must meet a minimum purity of 99.5%, ensuring compliance and quality. 5. Ensure proper storage. Precious metals in a Gold IRA must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. This safeguards assets while keeping your account in full regulatory alignment. Why 2025 is the right time? Economic uncertainty and inflationary trends make precious metals more appealing than ever. A TSP to Gold IRA rollover not only strengthens retirement security, but also ensures diversification beyond stocks and bonds. By acting now, savers can shield decades of contributions from erosion and create a portfolio built for resilience. Starting a TSP to Gold IRA rollover in 2025 is a straightforward process that brings long-term advantages. By clarifying goals, selecting a reliable custodian, and following IRS rules, investors can transform retirement savings into a balanced, inflation-resistant portfolio. Gold remains a timeless safeguard, and adding it through a rollover ensures financial stability for the years ahead. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.